Okay, what's up, guys? So, Blarg uploaded a video titled "This Among Us video will make you wheeze Goons versus Misfits and Friends." So yeah, let's go ahead and check this video out. If you guys haven't, make sure you guys go subscribe to the Goons and the Misfits and Friends. But let's see if he has like a list of everybody. So Friends in the video: Big Puffer, Eli, Grizzy, Soup, Hypernova, Puma, McNasty, The Dude, Fit, Swagger, Souls. Go subscribe to them all. And yeah, let's check out. I've been meaning to check out more Among Us videos. I was gonna get the game, but then it was like they said that nah, you need like a group. I wonder if you could just like play the game. They should just have it where you can like overall like it's just like the same experience if you play with like random people. I don't know, but because my thing is like I'm antisocial. I don't really like talking when I'm playing video games. I just like playing. I'm like it makes me. I'm still bad at the games, but I feel like it makes me play better. But anyways, let's go ahead because I can listen to music or I can record a video or something. But anyways,
Yeah. The lights already, bro? Come on, man. If I die in the first round, I am actually uninstalling all 50 megabytes of this goddamn fuck.
dang, nah, that game can't be 50 megabytes.
It was Grizzy? Please, all I ask is that.
Oh, is he playing without a microphone?
Ouch.
Dang. Wow.
I thought it was me.
What are you doing right there? I know how to
Also, he's.
Alright.
Bro, I just realized like the random gorilla is sitting in the back of Blarg. Like that kind of tripped me out for a second because I'm like, yo, Caesar from Planet A. Not Caesar. It was that ape that attacked that helicopter. He's just casually just chilling in the back, just watching Blarg just play Among Us. Like, I mean, hey, you know, apes or gorillas, gorillas, they all somewhat this. No, that's like racist to the monkey family. I ain't gonna say that. So. But nah, yeah, you know, there's probably like some like gorillas out there that like some Among Us. You know, you never know. Put it in front of them and see. Dang. Yep, just ditch the spot.
Where was it?
What was you saying?
The lights right before, or wires, I mean, right before the hallway.
Yeah, because I saw you fucking run up, and you know if you
There
if
was
you
like
recall
10 of us
last
in there.
round, I don't trust you, Soup. So I was waiting
That's-
for you to stop uploading, which surprisingly took you like 10 or 15
So
seconds.
you want me to quit YouTube?
What?
I'm gonna vote for Soup.
Oh, what the fuck are those? Bro, no. Dude, Swagger has it out for me, bro.
Dude, I don't. I'm voting this guy.
Who's this guy?
I'm having trouble getting my snack out of the vending machine.
I trust Fitz. I trust Fitz 100%.
Kill him, Swagger. Kill him. Do it right in front of me. I want to see it happen.
Stand by your point.
My electrical.
They ain't even know.
Okay, well, I saw Swagger, Fitz, and
Soup.
I think Soup up at the top.
Yeah.
So-
I'm starting
I was
to
with Soup for a
trust
really
Soup
long
now.
time.
I trust Swagger 100%.
I trust Soup
changed.
now.
Okay.
back down.
Did you guys have a
We
special
kissed and made
moment?
up.
Soup,
We
Yeah.
kissed and
I
made up.
apologize. I apologize for
It's okay.
blaming you the first couple of rounds. I don't want you to quit YouTube. Keep doing what you're doing.
It's okay, babe.
All right. Who wasn't there? Eli was,
not
there.
I went back to spawn.
Yeah, I was gonna say I saw Eli for a minute, but then he buggered off.
Yeah, I did
Let's
my.
hear from Duke.
Well, I found the body in electrical.
Did you stab him first?
Nah, G.
Okay, you called me G. I'm
Well,
the
I think it's Blarg. I'm not gonna
What?
lie.
Wait, I
Wow.
was right
I've
next to
been
you.
feeling Blarg the
Wait.
whole time.
I
He
think
was-
it's
Why are you
Blarg.
feeling me?
I think it's Duke.
Because you're throwing out all these accusations, bro, and everyone else has been together.
And
I
really
didn't throw it any. I was right next to everyone.
I'm done with shit, so I'm just gonna. Walk
I literally
out.
voted for
Dang.
myself last round.
Yeah, that's exactly what an
Yeah.
imposter would do, brother.
Yes,
Okay.
Duke.
See you later, idiot.
all messed up, bro.
I kinda had a feeling it might have been Duke.
Watch Blarg.
Oh, it
I'm
wasn't?
doing a scan.
Might be Soup. It's either Super McNasty. If this is not a new game, it's either Super McNasty.
Why you doing that, Swagger?
Oh no, Eli.
Ooh.
All right, it's Eli.
Okay,
It's Eli
Yeah.
and Nasty. It's either Eli
I
or
was
Nasty.
No,
I was going to say
I went up to lights there because lights went out. I'm already done with my shift.
I was
It's
going to say
Eli.
it was Blarg because I saw Blarg was standing on the scanner, but the animation wasn't playing.
Well, we have the animations off, so it would.
Oh wow. Okay.
Hey.
Well, shit.
You're gonna fucking win. No, dude,
well,
it's
now
not
that
Swag.
he's changed
It's
his
not
tone-
Swag. That's it. I'm drinking.
Now you're gonna believe him?
Dang.
What happened?
Why are you so quick to blame that shit on me, bro? I was doing fuel and launchpad at the beginning, and dude, Puffer thinks he's such a fucking big brain.
I'll just vote.
Dude,
I'm done.
fucking Duke can vouch for me.
Soup kills him. Okay, Duke's
Wait.
Duke's
Bodies in
nowhere
Duke.
near medbay.
Dude can't vouch. He's in cafeteria with me.
Okay,
I am in
Soup and Duke,
cafeteria.
GG guys.
Playing it safe.
I was at the beginning doing launchpad and fuel. It's fucking
Dang.
Suck a dick,
Just me, or is that
What happened?
Wow.
Why would you vote for me? What did I
I'm
do?
down to vote for
Wow.
Duke said he vouched for you, and you
That
were
is
nowhere near the
funny.
kill.
And yeah,
I don't
you're.
know why you said that.
Because you're the
All right, I'm down to vote him.
Drunk.
Okay. I shit the bed. I shit the bed. I fucked up so bad. I fucked up so bad, dude. I'm sorry.
All right, well that was a quick one.
Vouch for me. I didn't say it once.
Dang, I'm mad. Nah, I think I might just go ahead and just buy this game. If I'm playing with random people, I don't care, but this game just seems way too fun. That's funny.
I got too excited.
Fitz, can you vote?
Who are we voting for? Americans all sound the same thing. Who is it?
Yeah.
That's it. I'm going to the cafeteria first. And if Puffer murders me, chat, if Puffer murders me, I'm alt F4ing right now. If I die in the first round, I am actually uninstalling all 50 megabytes of this goddamn fuck.
Okay. The body is an admin. Whoa, wait, what the fuck? I just saw blood down
Fuck!
All right, let's go.
Bro, the lights already, bro? Come on, man.
Wow.
Okay, it had to be
What
a
the
vent kill.
hell?
Well, that was
It
fast
had
as
to be-
hell.
It
Jesus,
had
went
to
off
be
the
a vent
bat,
kill.
huh?
Me and Matt were the
Blarg.
first ones to
Damn.
leave. I stopped to do wires in the hallway. Matt is dead in the electrical.
No, I didn't see
I was still
anybody
in
else.
spawn. so I
Siri,
don't
call
know.
free content.
Yeah.
Calling free content.
Okay, well, I'll
It
skip
had to
Blarg.
be a vent kill. It had to be. Because no one else went up with me and Matt.
I was going up with
Well.
you. I was like right behind you.
You just keep your eyes on the vents.
Going up to admin.
I'm trying to think. The only.
I'm skipping.
Fitz is a
I
little
myself-
quiet.
I was just in the hallway doing wiring. I didn't see shit.
Puffer, I was right behind you. Going up to admin.
Fuck you!
Where's he skip?
You so you can't skip.
Messed up.
Fuck Greasy, bro. Chat, this is my favorite map. I hope I don't get murdered right away because I will cry on stream and you will all see it and it will be clipped and it will go on the internet and my parents will laugh at me and my girlfriend might leave me.
Dang.
What was the question? Yeah.
Wow. That's messed up.
Siri, call free content.
Grizzy again.
You're a son of a fucking bitch. Oh, I can finish this task.
Where?
I can't even finish this task.
Alright, Grizzly. What you doing right there?
Yes,
It's
Miss
Grizzy. It's Grizzy. Get him.
Okay then.
Not even gonna try.
Fuck you, Grizzy.
That's so
You
depressing.
fucking bitch.
I literally counted every. How the fuck
Stop
did I miss
talking.
the
Vote
nasty?
yourself.
Suck my fucking dick.
Guys, future reference, if I die in the first 4 frames of the game, it's Grizzy. It's been 3 times now you've done that.
Grizzy or Puffer.
Yeah, I feel bad for Blarg. Because you keep going off of your own. You make it too easy.
Maybe I
I'm
should.
just
maybe
trying to do tasks.
Yeah, I'm like, I get this game. I'm sticking with a group of people. That's I'm like, yeah, I like stick with a group of people. And then it's like whoever ventures off about like, oh, where does this hallway lead me down? And they get killed, and then there's another person that's not. It's that person. So, wow.
What the fuck? Are you serious? What the fuck was that? Bro.
That was on the
that on
keys,
keys?
I'm assuming.
Alright, Yes. One of them.
Is it
Who's
great?
up there?
Is it Grizzy again?
I was on keys.
I think there was Grizzy again.
Grizzy, what are you talking about? I went
right now.
Alright,
I was
Fitz.
Fitz.
Not me. It's not Fitz.
I went directly
not me.
right
Thank
to the
you.
little maze thing.
Fitz doesn't know what the fuck the double kill is.
Why is it always me?
It's messed up.
Why is it always me?
Okay, Spiker, where are you?
We're down to times.
You didn't even ask where I'm at, bro.
I know, but where are you?
I'm in the bottom left.
Body,
that's not
body
looking good for
is
you,
top
buddy.
electrical, right outside.
Not looking good for you.
And it
And I'm bottom
fits
left.
all the way to the right. And I think
I'm bottom left in the water cellar thing.
All right, but explain why you killed those people.
Because I fucking wanted to.
Exactly. What am
I just want to say, I did not
Dude.
self-report at any point.
Who killed me in the first 2 frames of the goddamn game?
That double kill was clean though, dude. That double kill was clean.
I'm skipping. I am not doing this.
Of course
no.
you are.
Yeah, because it's not me.
I'm getting rid of Puffer. Fuck Puffer.
I'm skipping because I don't know.
5 fucking seconds. I tried to hear it.
Fucking laughter, Chris.
Dang.
Wow, that was. Are you
Angry.
gonna ground him?
Spiker voted for himself.
Oh, masculine.
You call me Chris? No.
That was weird. I didn't like that.
A little weird.
Look. Oh wow. Blarg's the imposter. Okay.
Alright, hopefully somebody down here.
Grizzy,
I just saw.
Wow.
Okay.
What are you doing on cams?
Grizzy,
Proper-
Hyper, you just saw
proper-
me on fucking cams. I saw Matt
Proper,
kill me nasty on cams.
proper. I rolled up. I saw you going. I was gonna go for it. I literally saw Fitz. He just went right by me, so it was him.
Wait, I
No,
Wait,
no, no,
what?
no, no, no.
What are you
Swagger,
doing on
I
cam
saw
though?
Matt do it on
Dude.
cams. I
We
saw
never,
him.
What?
we never established that as a
What do
rule.
you
by the way.
mean?
We never established
never
that as a
said
rule.
we can't
We
use cams.
always play like that.
We never
What?
established that for this session. I
Look,
asked
look.
earlier. We're good.
All I'm saying is I saw Fitz coming from the direction of the dead body. He passed right by
Okay.
me. I saw
Puffer, what do you
roll up to
mean?
it. I was about to call
Matt, I
the
saw you
body.
kill me nasty on cams.
What do you mean?
I said if one of Matt here,
I-
then we sus of
What?
from now on.
What off what fucking
Look, I-
proof?
Damn.
Why?
Fulton, I thought you wanted me to go into cam so you could just fucking murder me.
Listen, I'm
We're
fine
good,
with
chat.
calling
Nobody's really
Blarg off
listening.
because he's Canadian, so.
What?
Wait, I know.
Yeah.
I
Fuck
know-
you!
He's called Looney Tooney, and that's
What do you mean? That is a horrible reason to kill someone! Alright, this
Dang.
game's dog shit.
I'm
We
calling
gotta
it
vote.
swagger.
We gotta
calling it
vote
one of them
Fitz
is
off.
swagger.
We gotta vote Fitz off next round.
Fuck!
I'm gonna call an emergency meeting.
Dude, they just randomly voted me off. They didn't even fucking... They didn't even have... Puffer was the only one that had proof. They literally randomly voted me. Because I use loonies and toonies because I'm a Canadian. Ah! God, this game is horse shit.
Mute time.
Dang, that peeing?
Let's do peeing.
Wow.
I don't care, mute!
Oh, sorry, guys.
Dang.
Holy shit!
What the fuck?
That's crazy.
Alright.
Wow.
I literally just watched Puffer cut his head off.
I believe it.
Okay,
I
believe it.
literally saw it
Say
right
Grizzy.
before my eyes.
Double kill with Buffer. Yeah, makes sense.
Did you misclick?
I can't believe you would do that in front of me, bro.
Did you
That's-
Or is
Matt
it Puff?
again? Was it Matt? Did you
That's
kill
something
Matt?
I would do.
Poor
bro.
Blarg.
fucking misclicked Puffer.
Puffer's not even
Right,
talking.
it's
He's just muted because he knows he's done, dude. What the hell?
I hate this fucking game so goddamn.
Poor Blard, man.
It's like, what's the object of this?
Voice. Voice, let's get it together.
Okay, everybody get the fuck off of the light.
What is happening?
Get the fuck off of the light.
Dude!
Oh my god, y'all are gonna give me an aneurysm.
What is going on?
Holy shit. Boys, we just couldn't get it together.
We're not doing this again.
Oh my god.
So they're playing with lights.
This is
What
like...
am I watching?
Dude, I don't know. Everyone was there.
The cash bar is almost full. Suspicion?
Swagger, you're still
If you vote for me, Swagger, I'm burning my Misfits merch.
Oh, don't do that. Sell it on eBay.
Let's go.
I feel like it's Grizzly.
It's literally not. You guys are giving me a fucking aneurysm.
Yeah, it's Grizzly.
I like the lights. That was fun. We should do that more often. Oh, wait. I'm sorry. I thought we were voting.
Wow.
Okay.
Who's got to do their fucking task? Come on. Not the fucking lights again, bro.
I swear to God, don't touch the fucking lights.
Wow.
Okay.
Angering that
Let me do
man.
it. Just let me do it. Guys, let me fucking do it.
Grizzy left?
This is my last game. And please do not kill me in the first 5 seconds. Or I'm actually gonna cry in front of... I will fucking cry right now. Cannon, thank you for the prime. Alright, what do I do here? Okay, I don't have to do keys.
Man. Fitz seen it. He had to, or who was it they killed him? It's messed up. That is messed up. It's like he cannot catch no break in that game. That is messed up, man. That was funny, though. That was a pretty funny video. Shout out to all those guys. Go subscribe to Misfits and Goons. Go subscribe to each individual's channel. Puffer, Eli, Grizzy, Soup, Hyper, Big Nasty, Do, Fitz, and Swagger. Go subscribe to all those guys. Like, subscribe to me, too, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching, and peace.